Good morning. So I know I look dusty and crusty. Mind your business. Oh wait, you're supposed to be in my business right now, sorry. Anyway, so be in my dusty crusty business. I am actually just like finished making me some breakfast. I ate that up, whatever, and I decided that I want to go to the beach. So let's get ready for a beach day. I already have my swimsuit on. I put like a quick little dress over it. Right now I'm about to, well, I'm letting my phone charge up some, and I'm getting my bag packed, and I'm about to pack up some quick little snacks. So yeah, I have yet to go to the beach since I've been here on the island, so I'm very excited. Let's see where the day takes us. Okay, love you. Mwah. Oh yeah, and we thugging it out, okay? We riding 2 buses to get there because there's no beach in my city, but it's okay. If there's a will, there's a way, so let's get it today. Your girl's got bars. You think I know how to go to watermelon by now, but I don't. That is a good watermelon. Okay, back to cutting. So I just made it to like the bus stop, and I actually had to pay €1 so I can buy water to use the restroom here in this Chinese restaurant. The next bus should be here in about 7 minutes. So let the journey continue, guys. And yes, I'm doing all this so I can go to the beach. Argue with your mama. my gosh. Y'all, I am like upset. I was literally eating my little snack that I packed, and when I reached for my camera, it like just flipped completely over, fell out, and now my snack is officially in the trash. The day shall continue. Okay guys, so I just got off the bus. I actually had changed my destination from the actual beach to like the beach club that's on the beach, so it had me off a stop a little bit earlier, but it's saying that it's just a 7-minute walk there. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful here. Like, your girl finally made it to the south. And it is 2:11. I don't know what time I started my journey, but your girl been rocking. But yeah, so let me pay attention to my GPS, because y'all know I don't know how to read GPSs and stuff, so I gotta focus. I love y'all. I'll be back though. Mwah. Oh my gosh. I want to own a home like this. Like literally, you see this? Just perfect view, but this is a beautiful home. Like muy tranquila. Like yes. And I actually like it being a little bit higher up because you can really see. I feel like down there, those like yeah, you closer, but you know, I think being up gives him a little more advantage. So I don't know where I am. But I feel like that's the best part of going on adventures. On the count of 3, say beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Okay, so there is, you see the black sand? I don't know if you can see, I'm trying to zoom in. So over there is the black sand, correct? And then over here I see like the white sand. So what I want to do is find me a gazebo. So I will walk down there first. Let me see. Because the beach club is actually that way. You know what? I'll go to the beach club first. Just to... So yeah, I'm gonna go to the beach club first. Oh! Hey y'all, how you doing? Get up out of my business like that. But just so I can see if, yeah, I don't know. Cause I just want to make sure I can rent somewhere to sit. Ooh. Honka, honka, honka. Y'all see that mean right there, baby? They got body. Perfect day to be at the beach. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This side of the beach seems a little bit more crowded, but they also have music. But this is also where the beach club is located. Okay, I see the gazebos. I hope that they still have tent. Okay, I don't know if that's the name of it or... No, this isn't the one I'm looking for. This is a restaurant. Oh look, it's a shopping center. How cute. I gotta keep straight down. So I have to talk to these gentlemen about getting somewhere. Alright, so I talked to the people and he said that they're full right now, so I should come back in like 30-40 minutes or so to try to get a bed or umbrella. Like everything was full, which I can tell, I can see. I really want to get in the water, but I want to get in the water when I have somewhere to like relax, because oh, are they leaving? Because whenever, oh, I think that these people are leaving. Oh look, they got the bar set up over there. I know, that's cool. But like, lady doing massages over here. Nice. I don't know if I am so freaking hot, but I just don't want to deal with the sand and all of those things. So it looks like they're trying to take their spot. Let me go get something to drink and see first, because if not, I don't, y'all, I'm and Mocktails starts. Alright guys, have the perfect timing, perfect area. All right, guys, so I finally got my umbrella. I got my bed set up. I broke my dress on the bus, but oh well. So I'm super hot. When I say super hot, oh my god, I'm struggling. Oh my god, I'm super overly hot. So I'm about to put on some sunscreen, and I'm about to go dip myself in the water. Yeah, I know you guys haven't seen me in a while, so you didn't realize your girl actually got very fine. Like, yeah, y'all know I post way behind when I actually am living, so I guess you guys are seeing a little bit of her, what she's giving. But yeah, when I tell y'all it's hot, it's freaking hot, okay? So more sunscreen, baby. I don't care what they say, black people need sunscreen too. So yeah, I'm gonna sunscreen myself down, and I am about to finally get in the water. I have yet to go in any type of water since I've been here, and that's unlike me, because how am I an island girl with no water? Ooh. I don't know if I can order food here or if it's separate, it's different, whatever the case may be. But so, are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go in the water, guys. I'll take you with me this one time, but when I'm ready to go for real, y'all not coming. So burnt, y'all. Oh my god, I'm not wearing my toes out anymore this year. Okay guys, so let's do it. I hope you remember, or I kind of can remember where I'm at. Here, I'll turn around so you don't see me. You guys see? Look at the waves just from start. But yeah, I did it, guys. I finally made it to the beach. I am like the happiest girl right now. I feel like I might have a tan, but hey, went off. Oh my god, it feels so amazing, guys. Oh my gosh, it feels so amazing. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna go put you back up because I need to go swimming. Oh my gosh, this is. We got somebody snorkeling. We got them down. Oh, the water is actually cool. Okay, guys, I kind of feel bad that I didn't take you with me. Do you want to come? We can go if that's really what you guys want to go do. All right, come on, let's go walk the beach. Y'all, them currents almost took me out. Y'all see my tan? I'm so fucking tan. Oh my god, but that water is so amazing, guys. But them waves is waving. I actually like how it's set up. I'm gonna show you. Like God did his big one. God really did his big one. Okay. So I was actually more so on this way. Alright, so I am on the south of my island. I live on the north, but I came for the day to the south. I felt like this, I'm gonna show you. So I went by the baby side. I went by the baby side of the waves because they have like damn near basically a natural wave pool. So with that being said, I'm going to show you different ways. Let's go at the beach. Okay. Okay, so you see how like, okay, on this side there's more people. Oh, I smelled the marijuana. There's more people because of the natural waves. Like, y'all go to water parks for them type of waves and they're getting made naturally. So look, I'm finding the water right now. Like, so they've been having their own little wave pool over here. Me personally, I'm not finna do it. So I was over here by those two men where it's not for me that much. No, I think it was over there. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. But I'm gonna get back in the water. Let me see if I can set you guys up. But either way it goes. Oh, how the fuck was that possible? Like, so I'm a little bit scared because these currents are coming high as well. Okay, I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay, y'all, I literally just got wiped out by a fat ass wave. Like, the shit is fucking hilarious because I chose the calmest part of the water to go to because the waves was on tsunami tonight, like dead ass. And I'm talking to this fine ass Italian man that was coming to, you know, because he was feeling a girl. And then like we wave jumping and chatting, and it was this big fat ass wave. And y'all, I was like, no, but bitch, it like pushed me so hard that like it brought me all the way to shore with my, like, I felt my ass scraping the damn the sand, like. And then I got up just to go back down, just to get up. And then he was like, he low-key put his head out to save me, but I just stood up because, bitch, I'm not going out like that. And so I started to jump him again, and I was good. But, bitch, look at my eyes. They is red, bitch. Ocean 1, but Kaylin going back. Alright, guys, so I'm packing my stuff up. But when I tell y'all I don't want to leave, I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave. But I gotta go right now. But I really don't. But I really should, because I know that I'm gonna be traveling, so I don't really want to travel in the dark by myself or whatever. And plus I know that in like, oh my god, I know in like 30 minutes, I just look crazy, y'all, so I didn't want to show me, but whatever. In like 30 minutes, oh my goodness, in 30 minutes they're gonna collect all the bedding and stuff, the day beds. Hold on, y'all, I gotta fix I got hair stuck under there, which makes it look way different. Fun fact, by the way, guys, if your stuff is looking like that, just make sure you cleanse it. But yeah, like I'm watching this beautiful sunset.
Okay, guys. I got off the bus that I was on. It was me on the networks. This bus on the next 2 stops. That's the 2 stops. I'm gonna try to keep back these people. Very good. This one looked like because my dad told me that I should just take the bag. That so based on $1,000. So I knew that I should just take the bag. Now I do this stuff. I'm like, okay, then I'm gonna do this. You see their waves. You see that it's like
Tengo mucha variedad.
puede que llegamos al como podemos ver hola, hola, bueno, no te